Hello and welcome back everyone. You're watching Hobby Lobby of Art. So today's topic of the video is to learn how to draw eyes. I'll show you guys my way of drawing eyes. Enough talking, now let's get straight into it. Realistic eyes, the girl version. I usually start with two curved lines with an eye detail. Then I make the circle for the pupil. I make two dots for the lighting. It makes the eyes look realistic. The upper eyelid, which is really important. I make my drawing dark by using a soft pencil. If you want to know, here I'm using Camlin pencils. So it is a set of 3 in which you get a soft pencil, which is the darkest. Then you get a neutral pencil, which is the medium type of shade. Then you get a hard pencil, which is the lightest of all. Right now I'm shading the pupil, the eyelashes. Makes the eye look very beautiful. I make the upper line dark like an eyeliner, and then I'm shading the eye with the neutral color of the pencil, the medium shade. Then I'm going to tell you that while you're shading, you should, at the top part, you're gonna shade it dark, and then the lower part you're gonna shade it light. Right now I'm using a hard pencil, for light effect. I'm blending it with my finger, but you can use a blender or a brush as well. The eyebrows. I'm going to make the eyebrows dark again with a soft pencil. Okay. Now with the neutral pencil, I'm going to shade the inside part of the eyebrows. Like that. Yep. We've almost finished the girl version. Done. Now the boy version for realistic eyes. Again, I'm starting with two curved lines with an eye detail. Okay, then the upper eyelid, like that, lower eyelid, circle in which we have to make the pupil and the lighting balls. This, I make only one circle for the lighting, as it makes it a little different from the girl version. Make it dark again with a soft pencil, like that. Okay. Then shade the pupil. It'll hold the pencil tightly so it gives a dark shade. Okay. Now I'm using again a neutral color for the shading. And again I'm saying that you hold the pencil tightly if you want a dark effect, and you hold it from the back and loose if you want a light effect. It makes it look like you're using two different pencils, but it's only the holding effect. Okay, done. Now I'm using the hard pencil again for the light effect, for the shading. Like that. Now I'm going to make the upper eyelid, making it a little short than I did last time. Oh yeah, of course, I forgot to make the iris in the girl version. But if you want to see how I draw iris, so here it is. It's almost the same in girl version like I'm drawing the boy version. I'm using two different pencils. the soft pencil, which is the darkest, and the neutral pencil, which is the lightest for the iris. Then comes the eyebrow, making it a little, a little more straight than I did in the girl version. The shading in eyebrows can be a little tricky, but it's okay. It's just a matter of time. You just have to do practice. Now I'm making manga eye of a girl, the girl version. I start with a very curved line in a circle, a big circle, then the downward line, eyelid. I'm not making the downward eyelid here, only the upper eyelid. Then I make it with 3 eyelashes, as it just looks like anime or manga. Then I make a large circle for the lighting and a semicircle at the bottom for lighting. Make it again. I make it dark with soft pencil, like that. Then I'm gonna shade the pupil. Okay, I'm shading the pupil right now, like that. Then I'm gonna make the eyelashes. I make the eyelashes a little thick while I do it with the soft pencil. The upper eyelid, and now again I'm shading with the neutral color, and again the same trick. Top is dark and bottom is light, like that. Yep. And we're done. Then the most asked questions, how to make a manga eye for a boy. So this is how I make the manga eye for a boy. I don't know the way for this, but this is how I make it. Okay, the upper eyelid. I make the pupil a little attached to the upper line of the eye. I make 2 little balls for the lighting. Again, I'm making it dark with the soft pencil, like this, and this. I always like making eyes, and it's just my favorite step of drawing. Whenever I draw a face, my favorite part is drawing the eyes. It really kind of makes me happy, It's really my style. Okay, I'm shading the pupil right now. Then I'm gonna shade it with a neutral color. Again, the same trick. Dark at the top, light at the bottom. It makes it look like the light's focusing on it. That's why it's light at the bottom. Okay. This one is one of my favorites. It's really easy to draw and it always turns out really amazing. There, and don't forget to make it dark. Done! So that's what it's all about. It'll just take some practice with full of your heart and attention. So I guess it's time to say goodbye. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more artistic videos like this and hit the notification bell to be the first one to watch my new video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.